Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create one of the most popular bridal hairstyles for the 2025 season. Of course, it can work not only as a bridal hairstyle, it's a beautiful option for any special occasion or even an everyday look if you just want to feel a bit more elevated. I'm working today on a beautiful model Margot, and as always, I start prepping the hair with a hair dryer. I apply Queen for a day spray directly to the roots. Then I use a skeleton brush to blow dry underneath the roots. This gives natural volume and makes the hair easier to work with. For me, this step is essential. Blow drying gives the hair not only natural lift, but also more flexibility, almost like hair plasticine. I also like to apply volumizing products through the lens if I want to add more body and density. But overall, I prefer working with products and a blow dryer, rather than using wave irons or crimpers. They often create an effect that looks too artificial, and I'm always going for a more natural, elegant texture. After the hair is prepped, I start curling with a 25mm curling iron. My goal is to create soft, voluminous Glam waves. To get that look, the trick is use big, wide sections and make sure they are heated evenly. Don't rush. Take your time. Enjoy the process. I curl all the hair in the same direction, except the bottom section at the nape of the neck. That one I curl in the opposite direction, just to create a bit of support for the upper waves and help them sit beautifully. Once all the hair is curled, I take a wide tooth comb and brush all the waves together. This helps them merge into one consistent pattern. If you want an even slicker effect, take a fine tooth brush and gently comb over the surface to make it ultra smooth. Honestly, sometimes when my clients see their waves at this stage, they already love the result so much they don't even want any extra styling. But for a bridal look, half up, half down hairstyles are still very popular, especially when the bride wants to keep the face open and draw more attention to the makeup. This hairstyle is perfect for that. I part the hair cleanly down the middle and use a tail comb to section off a wide diagonal piece from the front, starting above the ear and moving upward. Since the head is rounded, the diagonal sectioning works better. I spray this piece alternately with liquid wax and stronghold mist, smooth down all the flyaways, and brush the strand neatly in the direction I want it to go. Before twisting it, I pin it in place temporarily and check the shape in the mirror. Once I'm happy with the placement, I remove the clip and start twisting it toward the center. Here's a key trick: twist it tight. Even if it looks a bit tight at first, once you pin it, it will relax slightly and become softer and more voluminous. I insert 2 or 3 bobby pins directly inside the twist, not on top, but right into the middle of it. That way, when it loosens a little, the twist will expand and look fuller. Repeat the same process on the other side. Symmetry is the most challenging part, so check it often. Step back, look in the mirror, use a temporary clip, adjust if needed. Once both twists are done and pinned, I comb all the waves together again to blend them and make sure they fall in one harmonious pattern. And here's the final look: elegant, timeless, and with a touch of romance. I hope you enjoyed these little tricks and found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in the comments. Do you like this style? Would you try it yourself? And tell me what you'd love to see next. Maybe something you spotted on a red carpet or bridal shoot. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't miss the next tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.